Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And today I'm at supermarket, and I thought for this afternoon I would cook a French dish which is called Ratatouille. So I've come here to the supermarket to show you the ingredients that you need to buy. So follow me to the supermarket and let's check out what are the ingredients that we require to make one good Ratatouille. So here we are at the aisle of the vegetables, and as you can see, all the ingredients that you require are together. So first you need some bell peppers, the red bell peppers, capsicum. So I think one or two is enough to make a for two person. So two green capsicum. So you need one eggplant, two zucchini, medium size zucchini. We would need to have tomatoes, and usually I prefer this one for ratatouille because it's more juicy and sweet. And the last thing you need is some onions, some good brown onions. So here we go for the white one. So now we are in the oil section. Prefer this one is because it's, first of all, it's bio, and it's a strong oil that gives you the essence, it gives you the taste of real olive. So the spice that is required to make the dish is this one. So this is bouquet garni. So bouquet means a bouquet collection. It's a collection of thyme and bay leaves. So normally you can see they are round up together inside, or else you can buy separately. The two things. We are here at the wine section, and no French dish is complete without a good red wine. So here you see the collection behind me. It's huge and it's very difficult to choose one. So I'll just pick up one randomly. So I'm back at the kitchen, and I have the vegetables prepared. So I've washed them thoroughly. So let's start by preparing the vegetables, cut them. So I'm starting with the onions. Peppers. We cut the eggplant, also zucchini. We have two. So as you can see, all the vegetables are cut, and I have kept the skins on for eggplant and zucchini. Like that we have a good taste and proper texture of the vegetables. And now we'll pour some oil into the pan. It's at least 3 tablespoons of oil. So now the pan is hot, it's at a good temperature, and we'll add onions first to create the base. Onions with a little bit of garlic. It's optional. You can add garlic according to your preference, and we'll add all of them together. And also the spice. This is the bouquet, like I showed you earlier in the supermarket. It's a collection of bay leaves and thyme. You can add this also at the same time. And now, as you can see, the onion has started to change the color, and it has become like they are shining. You can see the shine on the onions. And now it's time to add some peppers, the green and red, both at the same time. So this pepper will add the sweetness to the plant. Over here on a medium flame. So the eggplant will give some texture to the food. And so basically ratatouille consists of different vegetables, all the vegetables that you can find in summer. And so now, as you can see here, the eggplant has started to lose the color and has become more dark. And we'll stir one last time before to add zucchini. So zucchini we add because it adds the freshness. So now, as you can see, after 5 minutes, the colors have changed for zucchini as well. It has become golden brown. And now the final ingredient is to add the tomatoes. The tomatoes will provide the juice to the dish, and after putting all the tomatoes inside, we have to let it sit for at least 20-25 minutes to let all the juices from the tomato go out. And also it's very important, the secret ingredient to this recipe is slow cooking. So what do I mean by slow cooking is that you have to let it cook for over a long period of time, so that all the vegetable lose its juices and it absorbs the olive oil. Like that, when you eat, you feel the richness of the olive oil, and that's why we brought a very strong olive oil from the supermarket for that reason. So now we will let it sit for 20 to 25 minutes and let all the juices from tomato spread out and go into the different vegetables. And also it's very important to cover it after stirring, like that. uh, all is cooked evenly. We have waited around 30 to 40 minutes, and you can see now how it looks like. So you can see the tomato has released all its juices, and the vegetables are cooked and has absorbed all the juices and the olive oil together. Now, how you can eat this? There's various ways that you can eat this. Is first is that you can cook rice and have it with the rice, or you can cook any meat with it, and you can eat at the side of any meat. Also, you can eat it hot or cold, or you can conserve it for many days. And the more you conserve with time, the more the vegetables absorb the juices, and the more delicious it becomes over time. So we'll be having it right now with rice, and voila, this is how you cook a good ratatouille. And I want to also mention that this ratatouille, that many people knows, like when I knew what I knew of Ratatouille was because of the movie, and it looked very delicious and it was cooked in a very fashionable manner. But uh, among the general people, among the common public, this is how you cook Ratatouille, and it's not like the fancy version that the Disney showed you. So now you can see the dressing of the plate, and it's time to eat. And like how we say in France, bon appetit.